And in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your WhatsApp microphone not working. Now this can be due to many reasons, so let's just start. First, what you might want to do is you might want to check the permissions for your WhatsApp. Now to do that, go to your settings. Now after you open your settings, scroll down till you find WhatsApp. There I have it. Now open your WhatsApp and check all the access that you have given to WhatsApp, and be sure that your microphone is turned on. Make sure that your other important features are accessible as well, like your contacts, your camera, your Face ID. After doing so, what you might want to check is if your WhatsApp is up to date. Now just go to your Play Store and search for WhatsApp. After you search for WhatsApp, if you have any update button, update it, like I do in mine. And after you update it and after you allow every permissions on your WhatsApp should work. But if it still does not work, there might be a problem on your device microphone. And if you're pretty sure that your device has no problem, then it might be a bug on WhatsApp's end. Now to fix that, what you need to do is you need to contact WhatsApp. Now to do that, what you might want to do is open your WhatsApp and go to your settings. After you go to settings, scroll down till you find this help section. And after you find the help section, you need to go to help center. And here you can see all the ways that you can connect to WhatsApp. And after you connect to WhatsApp, be sure to report them this issue. And then if it's a bug on their end, they will fix it. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.